And I'd like to welcome back with us Dr. Cheryl Alvarez. She is with the Mind and Memory program at Mission Hospital. And this program has been going on for a while now. I know you've been on before to talk about it a couple times, so welcome back.
Good morning, thank you for having me.
Yes, first give us an overview of this.
Yeah, so the Mind and Memory program at Mission Hospital is a collaboration between Mission Hospital and Alzheimer's Family Center in Huntington Beach. It's a program that's designed for people who are having some memory loss, early stage memory loss, along with a co-occurring psych issue like depression, anxiety, PTSD, just difficulty adjusting to grief, loss, things like that.
So how do you folks work with the location of Mission Hospital, because you are in Huntington Beach, and you chose the Mission Hospital, which is up in
Mission
Viejo, up by the. Why can't I think that? That's where my daughter was born. I'm thinking, where is that now? That's right.
Well, we actually, Mind and Memory program is located on the Mission Hospital campus.
Okay,
so we are just right across from the main hospital. The program is there, and so patients actually come down to the hospital, spend about a half of a day there, attend group therapy sessions, see a psychiatrist, work with a therapist, have an opportunity to engage in family therapy if they want to, also socialize, have lunch, and enjoy themselves.
And how often would they go to this, and how do you determine who would be right for this program?
So a person could attend the program between 2 and 4 times a week.
Okay.
And the determination of who attends is based on a couple of things. One, if they're having some memory concerns, and then also if they're having some psychological concerns, like depression and the others that I mentioned. So the patient is part of saying, what do I want to work on while I'm here? Maybe they want to work on improving their communication, or they want to work on improving family relationships, or they want to feel better about themselves, or they want to be with other people who are also experiencing the same kinds of things that they are.
Okay, when I look down the list here and you mentioned PTSD, now that means you could have somebody there that's in their 20s, right? Or do you have a certain age group? Because when I see that, I think of people who have come back from some kind of war environment or some other traumatic experience, which of course certainly can affect people very young.
Absolutely, it can. Our program is really geared towards the older, more mature adult population. So we do have a number of veterans, but they are a little bit older. So this probably wouldn't be appropriate for someone in their 20s. And our patients who are experiencing memory loss generally are 50 and older.
Okay. Now, as far as the program goes, what are some of the benefits? What is there something that for these types of folks, obviously depending what they may be suffering from, but looking again down this list, there's many of these folks who could probably get through this. There's others, obviously, who are in the form of Alzheimer's who would not. But so tell me how the program helps both people where this is going to be a permanent situation for them versus those who can maybe get through this.
Sure. You know, one of the really critical things for a person who's experiencing memory loss is to address these issues quickly. So they want to be really proactive about them. Depression in particular is a catalyst for memory loss progressing quickly. So we want to stop that from happening, right? We want to slow down the progression of even an illness like Alzheimer's disease or another type of dementia. And so depression is treatable. So even if a person feels like, I can probably get through this on my own, it would really be kind of a risky thing to take on to just hope it resolves.
I never would have guessed depression, anxiety, PTSD associate memory loss with that.
Yes, absolutely. So people who are depressed and have memory loss will lose their memories much faster than someone who's not depressed. And it's unnecessary because depression's treatable. So getting help and being proactive in that way is definitely something we'd encourage them to do. So ideally, a person who attends the program would have less depression, less anxiety, their day-to-day life, they'd feel better, their social relationships would increase or improve, their family relationships would be something that they could work on, and essentially they'd be able to be more independent for a longer period of time and keep their memories longer.
Yeah.
That's the goal.
Okay, for people that go through some of these, you have the first step is memory screenings, or is that just for anyone who'd like to come in and get a free memory screening?
So there are two options.
Okay.
So one, for a person who wants to come into this program, all they really need to do is to call.
Okay.
So they make the call, they get connected with one of our staff members.
Okay.
Our staff member will meet with them in their own home, or they can come down to Mission Hospital and see the program and have an assessment there. And if it's right for them, they can enroll in the program. I should add that the program includes transportation. So we actually,
that's nice.
It's amazing. So we'll pick you up, we'll bring you back home, we'll take you to the program and back. And it also is covered by insurance.
Oh, very good.
Right. So in most cases, commercial insurance or Medicare will cover the program. Many of our patients have no out-of-pocket costs. So memory screenings, separate thing.
Yeah.
We offer a memory screening open to the public the first Friday of every month at Mission Hospital.
Okay.
So any person who's concerned about their memory, just wants to get a checkup. We call it sort of a yearly checkup from the neck up. They can come on down, make an appointment, and get a memory screening once a year just to check on things if they have any concerns.
Okay, very good. And the number is 949-364-4203. And the website is afscenter.org. You can get information there. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming in again.
Thank you. Nice to see you
again.
Thank you.
We'll be right back. Yeah, we were just in it.